Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my favorite basketball design. This original design is from Jill at the Funky Cookie Studio, and I'll link her Instagram page below. Start by flooding with a light shade of orange. The darker shade of orange will come from airbrushing, so make sure this color is light enough to show contrast. For the texture on the basketball, we'll be using nylon netting that's held in place with an embroidery hoop. Make sure the fabric is close against the cookie and lightly airbrush with orange. I used my projector to draw the lines and then traced over that with black piping consistency icing. Use a scribe tool or a toothpick to smooth out the ends. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and give this design a try the next time you make basketball cookies. There are so many great basketball designs out there, but this one is definitely my favorite. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.